In the end, one more vehicle that surprised us and moved to the future was EHang 216 drone taxi. We cannot believe this is already possible in 21st century. The drone taxi can fly with up to 2 passengers on board and has totally autonomous flight control and intelligent navigation system. Hope the electric vertical takeoff and landing technology will find their customer and we will fly over cities with these nice taxis. The EHang was created for 2 passengers and can fly with cruise speed up to 130 km per hour generated by electric engine. It is powered by 16 electric motors which are connected to 16 propeller blades in coaxial double-barrel design. The minimum flight duration of the aircraft is 30 minutes, while the maximum flight range is 35 km.